It is time. I'm hitting the road. It has been a crazy week. Oh my gosh. I don't know how I got here. I mean, I do. It took a lot of work.
This past week has been a total scramble. I've been juggling truck upgrades and heavy training sessions, all while trying to celebrate my birthday with friends. I even managed to squeeze in a first look at my new Durston X-Dome tent. It's been a chaotic, too much on my plate kind of week, but I'm officially ready to roll. Let's take a quick look back at the madness before I hit the road. I'm Kristen, and this is Unstoppable Outside. The road to Trail Ragnar Zion starts in the gym. I spent 55 minutes on the stairs this week, basically climbing the Burj Khalifa. It's a grind, but keeping the endurance up is non-negotiable for what's ahead. I even squeezed in a quick session at Castle Climbing Club to keep the movement fresh. Training isn't always pretty, but it's the only way to stay unstoppable. While I was training, the Forerunner was getting its own workout. We got the new light bar installed, and John helped me dial in the solar panels and traction boards. The full rack setup is finally looking exactly how I envisioned it. Of course, you can't hit the road in a dusty rig. We gave it a deep clean and a full wash. There's something so satisfying about starting a road trip with a spotless truck and a full battery. To celebrate my birthday, we hopped the ferry for a quick shakedown trip. It was the perfect chance to test out the new Durston X-Dome too. My first impressions? I am obsessed with the domed headspace and the dual vestibules. The storage is massive. I'm still waiting on the ground mat, so I had to improvise with one from my bigger tent. And the material is incredibly light, which is great for my pack weight, but I'll definitely be handling it with care on these more rugged sites. The footprint is larger than I expected, but for so much livability, it's a trade-off I'm happy to make. Manchester State Park delivered the vibes. It's so close to Seattle, but it's actually an old coastal defense site, and walking past the massive concrete cells where they used to store harbor mines really puts the scale of this place in perspective. We spotted a heron right by the water and had stunning views of Mount Rainier across the sound. We kept the celebration going with some elevated camp food. Savory Brie s'mores by the fire. It was the exact reset I needed before the long haul.
So good. I am now on my way to Trail Ragnar Zion. We're splitting it over 3 days because I gotta work. I'm going to try to get a couple hours down right now and then stop and work for a little bit, and then pushing on to Baker City area tonight. We're going to stop in Salt Lake City area tomorrow night, and then ideally roll into Zion Ponderosa Ranch, something like that, resort on Wednesday night. And then we'll have Thursday to decompress, be there, and the race is Friday or Saturday. So here's to good weather, good traffic, and an amazing adventure for the next 6+ weeks. All right, let's hit the road.